Yeah, the day is almost over already. I was all day inside editing. But we do need to clean up a little bit more here in the village. Grass stuff. I'll show you. Whoa. Hey, meneer. That's... Yeah, I think it's good if we close this up a little bit more. For the guys from the junta come to cut all the grass in the street. And this we also need to cut, so that's going to be some work. It's a lot of brambles. Roof tiles. Who wants to go for a walk? Let's go already. I think Zoe went the other way. Hey Zoe! You found Zoe? Ha. I cannot do this without like spilling it over my hand, apparently. The rest is all brambles. The smaller brambles cut with these wires, but yeah, like this stuff, it cuts the top, but not the bottom. I think with the blade thing we should be able to do this, right? Or we need to get them out by hand. The idea is to get it all like that. So yeah, this piece of land belongs to that house we acquired. But the house next to it, the guy who owns that house, the first time I came here, he said, this is my fig tree. But it wasn't his fig tree. At least not on paper. And now it's our fig tree. He can have some figs though. It's also why maybe he's not maintaining that part of the land. Now there's a complicated story also with the land behind his house. The white one over there. Attached to our house. So let me show you the map of the registration at the municipal and the difference with, for instance, Google Maps. So if we look on Google Maps, we go to Garidas, you can see this is my house with a nice new roof. And this part here in the middle, the half of it we bought for 12,000 euro. And you can see here the fence of the garden. This is the garden. Now if we go to the land registration from the municipal, I'll put the link down in the description. You select your area and your village. And then you need to know which section of the map you're on. We're on G. And you can, for instance, see this on the papers from the land or the house, or in a selling agreement, like a purchasing agreement. It should state what is the number of the piece of land. So, for instance, here you see all the numbers, and in what section number it's in. And we're in G. And here you see my house with a nice new roof. And here you see the double house. And you can see here that the land behind both the houses is one registration. Now, clever guy as I am, I overlaid both maps. So the top one is this map you just saw from the municipal, where you can see here the number 25. And if we lower the opacity, you can see here the two houses and the whole plot of land here. So yeah, basically this way you can see actually what belongs to what registration. So yeah, this way you can easily find out what lands belong to that registration and where is the borders for these lands, for instance. Kind of handy. So confusing, anti-clockwise. So confusing. here is actually the waterway from the street, and it's filled with like 15 centimeters, 15 centimeters of soil. So even brambles are like growing in there now. I think that should be the municipal's responsibility, right? Like to keep those waterways like flowing. Or am I supposed to scoop this out? I think for a long time this has not been cleared out. They cut the grass, but they don't do anything about clearing the waterway. Basically, this is the property border. It is nice and cut now though. Might need to do some maintenance on this fig tree also. Not for now though. On this side is also a horrible mess. We also need to prune the cacti. It's really overgrown.